Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and want to know how to draw it. And they sent me this example and it says that, they've been working with it, trying to get it right. And this would be one way you could do it. But I think an easier way, take a square, hold down the control button, make it perfect, then rotate it 45 degrees. Now, holding down the control button, when you do this, if you grab that with the shape tool, hold down the control button and bring that in, bring that one in, bring that one in. Control D or plus key on your keyboard, hold down your control button and make that right there. Now we need to eliminate one of the lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it now and take both of them and convert them into a curve. So we'll be able to do this, and then take your shape tool and grab that node right there and right click, break apart, grab that node right there, right click, break apart, and then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now, these are still separated lines. So what you can do is select it all. There's a number of ways you could do this, but probably the easiest, since you're right here, is just weld it. And now that you welded that, you could make that one continuous circle. I'm going to try to mimic. I've actually, this was real small when he gave it to me, but I'm going to kind of mimic the thickness. So we're going to go hairline, we're going to make it 36 point. That's actually a little bit too thick. Let's go 24 point. Now hit F12 on your keyboard and go right here to rounded end caps. And there you have it. And I think if we reduce it in size, it's pretty close to what he wanted. Pretty cool design. And then if you needed that color, I don't think that is a Corel color. Well, it's a bitmap, but you could still borrow the color from that. But I don't know if he needs that. Probably the best thing to do something like that, go to object and convert the outline to an object, and left click, right click, take either your smart fill tool or your color eyedropper and get a sample of that color and then get it right there. And then don't forget to either move it out of the way or right click, no outline. And there you have it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.